We're just some furniture guys making some medical supplies right now. Nurses, our friends, doctors on the front lines at the hospitals where all three of my kids were born that don't have any protection gear right now, or they're being told to recycle their mask. How could we not make these masks? Hey guys, my name is Brian Morgan. I'm one of the owners at Austin's Couch Potatoes Furniture Stores in Austin. The core fabric of our company is loving people and bringing comfort. And it starts with loving our own people, providing work for them. If we can use what skills we have right now to help someone and just transition what we're building into something that can save a life, that is loving people, and that is bringing comfort to our city. The material we made our first prototype out of is the same material we use as a pillowcase cover that goes inside the back cushion covers of our sofas. And so it's like an inner liner, and it kind of was white and it looked like a mask. And then as we started to Google what this was made out of, come to find out the material that we use in our pillow casing is the same exact material in most PPE products. And we just happen to have two giant rolls on hand. Austin's Couch Potatoes is right now comprised of a lot of heroes behind me. You can see them. Our men and women, up until 7 p.m. last night, we're building furniture full time. And right now we're in the process of converting our small factory here in East Austin into making personal protective equipment for our people on the front lines. People and God last forever. And so that's the message that we want to tell our city, is that when everything is in turmoil, what really matters? It's our neighbor.